Celebrate good times. Come on. Come on. Let's check what Pi is doing at the current trend. Ayan na nga guys. As you can see, our Pi network just reached a higher all-time high. Ang price niya na ngayon sa peso is $141. I mean, 141 pesos. And sa dollars, it reached $2.44. You see, our free Pi coin ay ngayon meron ng value at pwede mo nang papalitan sa fiat money. Pero hindi natin ina-advise yan kasi nga Pi coin is a money itself. You can buy it for goods and services. Hello everyone, you can call me Casey Rona and welcome to my space. And ngayon nga, I will give you facts about Pi network. Dahil hindi natitigil yung ating mga kritiko and ang dami nating naririnig na nag-undermine sa Pi network. So, let me get the record straight. 10 facts about Pi network. First, number 1, Pi network is the future of social cryptocurrency and Web3 blockchain. It enables users to mine Pi coin on our mobile phones to bring cryptocurrency to everyday people just at the palm of our hands without consuming money for trustworthiness and no heavy equipments needed that burns too much energy, which is not user-friendly, as well as not friendly to the earth. Okay? Pi network uses a consensus algorithm that designed energy efficient, low cost. So, yung mga unang nag-mine ng Bitcoin dati, ang may privilege lang na gumamit ng mining is yung mga may high-end computers, machine computing, yung mabibilis. 1-bit computers, yun yung mga nakakapag-mine pa ng Bitcoin dati. Okay, simplified na lang natin yung ating number 1. Diba? So, tayo, makakapag-mine tayo ng Pi coin using just our cell phone na ginagamit natin sa araw-araw. At just on one tap, nag-accumulate na siya ng Pi coin. Number 2, Pi is real and the app is free. You can mine Pi coin for free daily and the allocated for miners is 65% of 100 billion total supply. This cryptocurrency is built for everyone, by everyone to achieve financial freedom, putting power in the hands of people worldwide for fairer, more distributed crypto. So imagine mo, everyday ka namang nagsi-cellphone, pero kasama mo na yung nag-iipon ka na ng Pi coin. At sa ngayon, meron na siyang value So, everyday, meron kang may ipon at kung masipag ka pa, mas bibilis pa yung mining rate mo. Mas makakaipon ka pa ng madami. Effortless! Just a tip of your finger, one tap, and you're good. Every 24 hours yan. So, facts number 3. Pi network is a decentralized blockchain. There are 200,000 decentralized computer nodes transitioning to mainnet already, which collectively is estimated to possess over 1 million CPUs, making Pi nodes one of the largest distributed systems in the world. Ganyang kalaki ang Pi network. It is a collective effort founded by Stanford graduates with 60+ million engaged users. An open community powered by a cryptocurrency delivering accessibility and a robust, utilities-driven Web3 ecosystem. Meron tayong blockchain. I just saw a post ng isang kritiko na nagsasabing ang Pi network daw is not decentralized. Ha? Ngayong nag-open mainnet na po kami, we are fully decentralized na. Kasi outside network can connect to the Pi blockchain. Meron niyang sariling blockchain ang Pi network So yon, konting overview lang. So number 4 facts. Pi is secured and safe in Pi wallet. Pioneers are only allowed one Pi account per person. Pi uses a multi-pronged strategy to safeguard against fake accounts and bots. They use third-party checks and natively develop machine learning algorithms to identify bots. Your Pi balance will be secured in Pi Wallet as you are the sole owner of your wallet's private key in the form of passphrase. Due to its non-custodial nature, your passphrase is not recoverable and never comes with Pi Network's server. Make sure to keep your wallet and never share it with anyone. Put it in a safe location that you're the only one who can see it, or don't ever share it to anyone, especially in online. Kasi yan yung wallet mo eh. Ikaw ba hayaan mo manakaw ng iba yan? So, ganun din sa online wallet. Secured yung Pi Network. Imagine, mga head of technology yung founders ng ating network. Hayaan ba nila sa mundo ngayon ng cryptocurrency? Prone tayo sa hacks. So, just trust the network kung bakit merong mga secret algorithms na hindi sinishare in public. Kasi ganon ka, ingat yung ating founders. Hindi sila basta-basta sa technology. Alam nila yan. So, have you heard about the Ethereum hacks last day? Diba? Hinak ng North Korea yung Ethereum sa wallet ng Bybit Exchange na nag-slam sa Pi Network na scam daw. So, ngayon, anong nangyari? Sila yung nahack, diba? So, hindi sila secured. Tayo ngayon, Pi Network, mas secured pa tayo kaysa sa kanila. Sa lahat, imagine. Ganon kalaki yung Pi Network. And number 5 facts. Pioneers are legitimate and trusted. Pi's native decentralized KYC solution helps validate the identity of pioneers, as only accounts validated as belonging to distinct real individuals will be honored on the mainnet blockchain. KYC also acts as a final system checks against bots and fake accounts. That is, even if all other methods missed out on some bot accounts, this pioneer validation process will further eliminate them because bot owners will not be able to prove bots to be real people with real names and government-issued identity cards. Meron tayong security-based system para ma-identify even the bots and fake accounts. Okay, proceed to number 6. PAX. Pi Network's legal compliance. This is one of the most crucial steps na pagdadaanan ng crypto project. So, Pi Network is strategically leading the way in the crypto regulatory era by achieving the highest standard GDPR compliance under Article 27 of the European Union. The General Data Protection Regulation is one of the strictest data protection regulations in the world. It governs how companies collect, store, and use individuals' personal data for privacy and security. Beyond GDPR compliance, Pi Network has also secured key operational licenses in the UK as one of the world's largest financial hubs. The UK has strict regulatory standards, especially concerning digital currencies and fintech. So imagine yung Pi Network, meron na pala tayong compliance sa European Union and sa UK. So ito pa pinakamalupit dyan. Yung pinakamalupit na regulasyon pa pala to sa buong mundo. Okay. Ang tende mo, Pi Network. Ang tende. Pero merong critics na nagpapakalat na ang Pi Network daw is not secured. Take note sa susunod na packs, ilalabas ko din yung ibang napag-alaman ko. So, number 7 facts. Pi Network as a pioneer in the crypto regulatory era. Pioneer talaga tayo. With the steps have taken, imagine the two compliance. Pi Network has positioned itself as a pioneer in legal compliance within the crypto industry. They have shown that in 6 years of working together through innovation, an open mainnet, which is a critical phase in Pi's network development, has successfully launched, making Pi Network to be fully decentralized for global adoption while adhering to all relevant regulation is possible. So, hindi tayo yung nag-launch ng wala pang roadmap. Meron na agad tayong nakalatag. Meron na tayong 100 dApps, 100 apps dun sa ating ecosystem. Ready na yon. Meron tayong social chain. Meron na agad tayong compliance sa legal framework. Wallet, meron ng blockchain, meron lahat nakalatag na pero marami pang dine-develop. Marami pang business partners, investors na papasok sa network natin, hindi pa nagaganap yung ating Pi Day. Imagine kung excited ako sa balita, kung anong meron. So, number 8 fact. Pi Network is long-term and sustainable. Moving towards global compliance is Pi Network's focus. So, hindi lang yung pang-dalawang compliance, yung plan ng ating network. So, since nandito na tayo sa open mainnet, ang aim na ngayon ng Pi Network is for global compliance na. So, they are also preparing to comply with regulations in other key markets such as United States and Asia. Their commitment to adhering to all applicable regulations and adopt with the laws and regulations that changes frequently due to the changes in technology, policy, and political events measures that Pi Networks deeply understands compliance in ensuring their long-term sustainability and success. So, ganun katalino yung ating founder. Ganun sila ka-committed sa growth and success ng Pi Network. So, number 9 fact. Pi is a utility token to spend for goods and services. Pi Network is building a peer-to-peer ecosystem including marketplace and infrastructure for digital currency for a utilities-driven app ecosystem. Pi's utility will be backed by the time, attention, goods, and services offered within the community in exchange for Pi. The network reduces their cost and prevents slippage that typically goes to banks, technology giants, and other intermediaries. Okay, yung mismong Pi coin is pambili na rin talaga siya. Hindi mo na siya kailangang palitan ng pera. Think otherwise dun sa mga nagsisell ng Pi. So, it's better to kumuha lang ng kurot-kurot na profit, pero don't sold your bags. Okay? Instead, buy at the lower and accumulate more as the price go up. So, nandito tayo sa ground price. Okay? Hindi na babalik yan dyan once na-shoot na yan sa moon. Okay, fact number 10. Pi is a global currency in the future. Accessibility is a core value of Pi, and its vision is to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer ecosystem and online experience fueled by Pi, the world's most widely distributed cryptocurrency. Pi Network rewards all pioneers through 4 rules who help grow the network and distribute Pi cryptocurrency widely by becoming an ambassador. They refer people to join the network as pioneers. You earn 25% bonus on your base mining rate in each pioneer added in your team, and you can form a security circle, which is the central to the security of the Pi blockchain. That is why we are sharing you our referral link so that you can join our circle to secure also the blockchain and help the network's growth, development. So, kung hindi ka pa pioneer, I am sending you 1 Pi cryptocurrency and sign up to my link. Use code KCRONA to claim and add me to your profile browser. The future belongs to us, pioneers. Stand strong and let's all meet at the top. Bye! Thank you for watching. Last favor, please subscribe to my page or channel, or please follow me. This will not cost you anything, but this will help me boost my channel and share more informative videos. Thank you.